Hey guys, sorry my parents are talking. So today we're showing my homemade squishies. Yeah, just paper, and these are actually honey bear. As you can see, this is and this is and this is like and wait, how do I say what do I say? Oh yeah, voice reveal. Yeah, I'm just talking right now. So let's get started. So that's where I'm gonna get. I got like a small one. Tell me what I got. So I got your first look. Tell me what it is. We don't know properly. Okay, so this is like my pillow I made. It's like a rainbow with the face. And yeah, this I got two sorts. It's a sponge one and close it. Yeah. Now I'm not gonna do it. It's like I think it's gonna be fast. And so this is a chocolate. Wait, yeah. This is a chocolate I made. It's like a Pocky. I named it randomly, and yeah, it's pink with the little face. Let's go on the next one. So I'm back and I have picked this strawberry poplar. So yeah, oh, it's getting really stressful. And yeah, so like I'm really happy with the eyes actually. And yeah, going on to the next one. So this is like it's red. Yeah. It's a bit that's squishy, but it's okay. We'll put it back in there and try to get their ruler. So I got this ruler, pretty cute. So yeah. So soon I'm gonna do a face review. I don't want to do it now because I'm actually pretty shy. So oh yeah, this is my emoji one. Slow rice. Let's put it on the side there. And then we just put it already. I told you about this. So I got like this. See what it is. Oh yeah, it's a ghost. Doesn't look like one, but it is. We're getting stretching, so I think I'll end this soon. So let's see what else we do. So, oh yeah, I already got this on the side. Let's see what I got here. A pop tart. Wait, I'm already talking about this. So this is wait. Oh, it's a spread, I think. Yeah. Let's see what else. I'm sorry, wait, I have to pause this. Three, this is a big one. This is like my sandwich. Let's put that back. Oh yeah, let's see what's this. Oh, sorry about that. I have enough right. So this is oh yeah, I can't really see the green. My hands are melting. So yeah, can't really see the green. Yeah, and this is watermelon. So let's put that. And this is. Oh, sorry guys, my hands are just getting tired. So this is cup. Oh, and let me. Let's free watermelon, I think. Donut and candy. See you later, guys. Bye. So this